It's November 21, 2023, Tuesday. Good afternoon. This is Adriana Maricilo Mongo, reporting from AMN News Live. Spurred by the alarming lack of knowledge among Filipinos about the safe way to wash hands, a campaign to propagate knowledge and instill the habit of washing hands seems to have pushed the message loud and clear. Millions of Filipinos have joined the hashtag SafeWash movement, driving home the message that when it comes to hand washing, the only way to make it effective is to do it the right way. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Adriana Maricilo Mongo, reporting from AML